Hey guys, what is up? Today I have another Door Slammers 2.0 tune for you guys today. Today we are going to be doing a twin turbo tune on this Chevelle. First, you're going to want the 2000 plus horsepower twin turbo engine. You want the block aluminum, heads aluminum. Internals, you want the bullet, forced induction, aluminum, and forced induction again. Intake, it comes stock with this one, and you're going to put the side draft or the stacked ones in. Ignition, you want crank triggered. Exhaust, you want the fender exit. For the chassis, you're going to want a full tube chassis. Traction, you want slicks with wheelie bars. Wheelie bars 2 inches. Any brakes. Wheels, you want drag slicks. And for the transmission, you're going to want 392. You're going to have to drag it from the left side, which most of you guys know already. Second gear, you want 1.0, and third, 0.75. And for the launch, you want it at 1,000, stall 9,600, shifts 8,400, and limit 9,800. For the body, any hood, any wing. The ride height, you want slammed. Weight, you want minus 550. For the tune, you want it on Meet God, gearing 488. Shocks, soft, 9 and 8. Fuel, alcohol, you can have the 55-gallon or the 5-gallon. Boost, you want 100% full time. And for the timing, you want 100% full, no regards. I would do it in practice, but I can't because it goes faster than 5.5. You want your tire pressure at 9 pounds. Go up to your line. You want a pre-stage. Yup, I went in before. You want it 30 pounds of boost. You want to try and shift at 160 miles an hour. I hit 5.2 and 5.1s already with this car. And there you guys have it. 5.275, and I blew up. If you guys don't blow up, you guys can get 5.1s. Tomorrow, I'm going to have a blower tune, a root blower out for you guys tomorrow. So please, don't forget, like and subscribe.